Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've got a couple 3 days beard growth here. Thought I would do a quick R41 shave and just show you how aggressive this razor shaves, and we'll remove it in 2 passes. Possibly even 1. If your beard's a little lighter than mine, 1. So I'm going to do a quick shave and you can follow along. And let me just discuss this real quick. I took a peek at the blade. This is a blade that I've used before, and I guess I didn't rinse it thoroughly last time when I used it. You can see the gunk, the residue, shaving cream or shaving soap left over from the previous shave. So that's what happens when you don't rinse your blade thoroughly when you complete your shave. So you may want to do that, especially if you have sensitive skin. That will promote bacteria growth, so you want to make sure your blade is clean. Rinse it out thoroughly after every shave. I'm going to rinse it under the hot water, get rid of that gunk. Just gave it a little swipe with my thumb and got rid of that. No big deal. So reassemble the razor. I'm trying to get rid of this tube, Parasso Aloe and Vitamin E, into the Shave Nation lather bowl. I'm going to fill up that lather spot at the bottom. I got way too much in there. A lot came out, but that will help me get rid of this tube. Probably need half that much. Here's my brush, the Shave Nation Zebra brush, Badger brush. It's got a nice knot. Look at that beauty. Right in here, in the skull cup. Going to just saturate those bristles. That's what they look like when they're wet. Just shake that. We'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. I think we will be able to. We'll probably have more than enough lather for 1 shave for sure. It's what I've previously called a lather party. The more you swirl, the thicker it gets. It comes all around the rim, just scoop it back down. As you can see, plenty of lather for several shaves. Man down, right there. I'm not going to get carried away with the lather. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. Alright, my face is good and warm. Let's lather up. Plenty of lather here. Start on the right, work our way over. Never an issue lathering the Parasso, it lathers up very easily. Work it right into the beard. Parasso's been around a long time. I previously thought it was like 1919, but I think it's actually 1945. Little figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. And silent movie. All right, here's the razor loaded with a feather blade that's been used a few times. Right side. Oh, listen to that feedback. You can really hear this razor working. One side's filled, flip it. Both sides filled, rinse. Lots of stubble going down the drain now. Left side, just find that angle. Very light pressure, just let the razor do the work. You can feel the open tooth comb gliding along the skin, so just gentle pressure. Rinse. Mustache right under the nose. rinse. Rinse the face, rinse the razor. Let's relather for our second pass. Now it goes on nice and cool. The bulk of the beardage has been removed. Figure 8. Set it down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. Okay, now we'll go across the grain. Again, just let the weight of the razor do the work. Backhand it. Rinse. Just put the tip under the nose on an angle, clean that area, and then lay it flat across the lip. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. A final rinse to your razor and a cold water rinse on the face. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Recap it, set that down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Parasso Aloe and Vitamin E aftershave balm to match up to the shaving cream. It's a nice thick balm, that much in the fingertips. Massage it directly into the skin. Cooling, calming. The Aloe and Vitamin E, very good for soothing your skin. Gives you a nice invisible layer of protection. That's it. A nice, smooth, quick 2-pass shave with the Muhle R41. If you want to pick this razor up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there. Or go to shavenation.com. Enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. P.S. Don't forget to rinse your razor. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.